from working from big units to these little guys. Got nothing on the display here. We're gonna go see what's going on outside. Let's go see, boss. Yeah. You know how to get down there? Oh, it's raining. Alright, which one is it? It's one of these. It's a Mitsubishi. That was a Mr. Slim. Added. What is this side? Elevator.
It's right here.
Is that thing? Which one? Which one?
That one.
How do you know that one?
This is a West Service elevator.
This is one of the older Mitsubishi. Stupid power. Yo, what the hell? What is this, Martin? There's definitely no power day, bro. This is the second call we got with no power. Tell him to call an electrician. Screw it. Alright, yeah, let's go inside, find the breaker now. Why would the breaker trip? You think the compressor's grounded? Well, that's where it's coming from, yeah.
So I can stick my finger in it?
Yeah? Technically could. It's dead.
You do it, man.
I went put the breaker back on and the damn thing tripped instantly. So something is grounded here. I would either say, guys, look at that. There it goes. Now that goes to the compressor. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the actual compressor. It's a compressor grounded. Burn this guy up. So I'm going to the compressor next. These wires, this right here goes to the compressor. So let me check that and I'll get back to you fellas. Just to get to the compressor section on these older models, you gotta take off the whole front panel. It's ridiculous. So, like I said before, these wires go to this board. That's the compressor board right here, the inverter. Actually, this is not an inverter, is it? No. So, I'm gonna pull off those wires and just check them to ground. Most likely, she is gone. Okay, red, white, and black. Shit, yo, Martin, let me get the needle nose, the long one, the angle ones. Okay.
I'm going to interview over his details right now. He's said something to the first week of December, but says that he's flexible if we need to change in between them.
He's a nutcase.
No, it's not. He's just.
So he said that he wants to change.
Really, you play it. Getting it.
He's strong.
Speak on your hand.
He just did.
Feel it. Yeah, I got bit.
Yeah.
He's got some jaws.
My friend used to pick his dog up and swing him around.
Yeah, he did that when he started.
502-791.
Bet you won't take it out of his mouth.
Okay, yeah.
He won't let go of it.
So